How to add YouTube notifications on Discord. This full guide shows you how to get alerts when your favorite YouTubers upload new videos. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. Next, go to the server where you want YouTube notifications. Following that, you'll need to add a bot that supports YouTube notifications like ME6 or YAGPDB. Now, open your web browser and search for ME6 Discord bot or go to me6.xyz. Moving forward, tap on Add to Discord and select your server. Afterwards, authorize the bot by tapping Authorize and complete the CAPTCHA. In addition to that, once the bot is added, go back to ME6's website dashboard. Once there, select your server and navigate to YouTube settings or notifications. Subsequently, tap on Add Channel or Connect YouTube Channel. Moreover, paste the YouTube channel URL you want to get notifications from. Afterwards, select which Discord text channel should receive the notifications. Then, customize the notification message if you want and tap Save. Within your Discord server, the bot will now post alerts whenever that YouTuber uploads. And that's it. If this YouTube notification setup helped you stay updated, give it a like, subscribe for more Discord tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.